Ever wondered how much it costs to withdraw money from a Neon account? It's a question that many potential users have, especially those considering making the switch from traditional banks. Neon, a digital banking platform, has taken the financial world by storm with its sleek interface, convenient features, and competitive fees. But what about those pesky ATM fees? Are they worth the convenience? Let's dive in and find out. The nitty-gritty of Neon's withdrawal fees. Neon's fee structure is designed to be transparent and user-friendly. When it comes to withdrawing cash, here's what you need to know. Domestic ATM withdrawals. Neon has partnered with a network of ATMs across the country. Free withdrawals. You can make a certain number of free withdrawals per month. Fee-based withdrawals. After exceeding the free withdrawal limit, you'll be charged a nominal fee per withdrawal. International ATM withdrawals. Neon allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide. Foreign transaction fees. You'll typically incur a foreign transaction fee, which is a percentage of the withdrawal amount. ATM operator fees. The ATM operator might also charge a fee, which is usually displayed on the ATM screen. Factors affecting withdrawal fees. Several factors can influence the actual cost of withdrawing money from your Neon account. Your specific Neon plan. Different Neon plans may have varying withdrawal limits and fee structures. The ATM network. The ATM network you use can impact the fees charged. The country you're in. International withdrawals may involve additional fees and exchange rate charges. Tips to minimize withdrawal fees. Here are some practical tips to keep your withdrawal costs low. Plan your withdrawals. Use the free withdrawal limit wisely and avoid unnecessary withdrawals. Use in-network ATMs. Stick to ATMs within Neon's partner network to avoid additional fees. Check for fee information. Before withdrawing, check the ATM screen for any potential fees. Consider alternative withdrawal methods. Explore options like cashback at retail stores or using a linked debit card. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account balance and transaction history to avoid unexpected fees. The verdict: is Neon worth it? While Neon's fee structure is competitive, it's essential to weigh the costs and benefits carefully. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who needs to withdraw cash often, the fees might add up. However, for those who primarily use digital payments and occasional ATM withdrawals, Neon can be a cost-effective and convenient option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.